Hey guys, here down on Stevenson Island today. Gonna do some diving down by the bridge between the island and the library over here. And this is where a lot of people go walleye fishing, and they like to lose a lot of lures, and I'm one of them. The thing is, I get to find them and reuse them, and it's the nice little cycle that really helps me in the end. But it's fun. Hope you guys enjoy the video today. Hopefully you'll enjoy the underwater footage. First time doing it. Can't wait to edit it up later. All right, see ya. All right, all suited up, ready to go hop in the river. Try to get some footage for you today with the GoPro. I got my weights on, little booties on down here. Yeah, can't wait to get in there.
Holy crap! That was like a 4-foot northern pike right there. That thing was huge. A crayfisher. First one of the day. Right here. Whew. These other ones on here from the other day when I did my trial run, I found like 4 or 5 of them. Is falling and I just swallowed some water. Pretty good. I don't know that was fishing with this. Totally lost it over here. Just stack it up.
Get all that out of there with the hooks. We're picking up all the fish line.
Good.
Like 2 or 3 times a week.
Awesome. Yeah, well, I threw a Red Bull can out that I found in the water. I was going to throw it in the garbage. I don't see it there anymore.
I didn't know. I picked it up.
Oh, okay.
Pick up all the cans.
Yeah.
And get rid of that stuff. Pick up garbage and fish line.
Looks like you found the lure too.
Yeah. Oh, 3 of them.
Nice.
That one was on a branch about 3 feet out in the water. I rolled up my pants and went out there barefoot.
Yeah.
It was a little cold.
Yeah.
But the waterfowl will find that, you know.
Yep.
Save the ducks for me.
Yeah, that is true.
Nice you doing that though. I mean,
All right.
that down there.
Yep. You sell them? No, I don't sell them. I use them or just keep them trophies.
Well, I spent about an hour and a half in the water today. Stayed about 10 feet offshore here for most part. Then I went out to the one spot in the center where a lot of people lose them. I got one grab, it went down for a couple seconds, got 3 lures in one grab. Good deal for me. But here's what I got today. Howdy. Free lures. Ready to unload all this stuff, and then I look over and see this thing here crawling. Must have came off one of the lures or the junk in here, or out of the river. Pretty freaky, whatever it is. So I'm here on my back deck. Just got done cleaning off my my board that I use for hauling all my hooks on that I found in the river. I just got them all separated, got all the swivel hooks off, all the extra line cut off, and now I am going to show you what I have found. And I've got counted them all up, got estimates about what they cost, and see how much money I would have saved if I went to the store and would have bought all these. So this is my collection after today, after cleaning them up, not cleaning them up, but separating them off the board. And so a lot of them need to be cleaned. Some look brand new still. I have to change some hooks out. But let's start with these spoons over here. I think that's a lightning lure. I forgot what that one's called, but I've used them. They're good for catching walleye. I've got 4 spoons. I'm estimated about $16 brand new if you were to buy them. That one's beautiful. They both are. They just center here. Next, sinkers. Got about 6 sinkers out of that. I'd say about 50 cents. Not going to value those too high. These hooks, got about 6 hooks. Some bigger hooks here. Only going to value those at about $1. Let's see, all these swivels. They got 32 swivels out of all the stuff I found today. I'm going to value those probably about $3 for 32 of them. Then I got these other lures. I think this one's called a greedy hooker. Really good action in it when it's coming through the water. It's a newer lure, I believe that's out there. I'm gonna value that at probably like $10. This other one here, I've seen these. I think these are like $4. And then this thing here, this ugly guy, I'm gonna say $3. So about $17 for these 3. Then I got all these build wraps here. I think some of them are called jerk baits, like this one here. But yeah, I'm gonna estimate those. There's 17 of them, probably about $119. I think I said like $7 a piece for those guys. Then I got all these rattle wraps. Let's see, I got 15 of those. I'm gonna estimate about 7, so about $105 for all those. And then all these little jig combos with a weighted hook on it, and just the worm on there. I think there's 20 of them. I think I estimated about 50 cents each, so about $10. And then I got 3 swivels here out of it all. Usually I find more, but all together I've added it all up. If I was gonna go to the store, about $272.50. So I just saved a lot of money, and I have more to my collection now. Awesome. So I I dove today for about an hour and a half. The temperature in the air was about 48 degrees. It was partly sunny. When the sun came out, it was easier to see stuff underwater. The water visibility is very low, about 1 to 3 feet, depends kind of if I disturb the ground or not while I'm underwater. I saw a huge muskie. That's what it was. It was about 3.5 to 4 feet long. As soon as I got in the water, it came right down. I came right down and I was face to face with it. It has scared the bejesus out of me. But it's a good experience. Water temperature I think is about 50 degrees. With my suit I was warm. My main body, my feet were warm. Only thing that got cold were my hands. After a while, it was hard to move them. Around my face where my hood was, my mask, that was kind of cold. After about 45 minutes, I was starting to feel it. But I still went for another 45 minutes, about an hour and a half today altogether. I had a great time. It was more comfortable in the water after a while. The current is lower. I had those weights on, 20 pounds of weight around my waist, helped me stay down to the bottom of the river to find stuff. Awesome time. Maybe I'll go tomorrow again. But I just hit a small part of the river, stayed close to the shore, and then I went out in the middle to one spot pretty much. And at one time I came up with 3 lures in about 15 seconds of holding my breath only. They're all right in one spot. Yeah, so that was pretty fun. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that to do this again and that you'll be checking it out. Thanks.